Well, facing major embarrassment over a government-sponsored report which praises the Gujarat land acquisition model, UPA is now attempting to face-saver. The government has distanced itself from the report, saying that the report was prepared by a private company.
It's a study is not commissioned by DIPP, number one. Allow me, please. No, I'm giving it to you. It's a study was submitted to DIPP by Accenture. It is not DIPP. I'm rejecting it completely.
Sir, but
please allow me to complete. It's Election Planning Commission and Deloitte report. That's one study. Second is the CII and KPMG. Third is FICCI and Bains. I will make available this chart to you. And the study which Gujarat is quoting, that is this Accenture report which was available with the DIPP, which loading does not mean owning it. Listen, there is a initiative by the DIPP, by the Government of India, for simplification of procedures for online registration, online payment. That's why the eBiz national project in mission mode has been launched.
But even as the government attempts damage control, the BJP is using the report to attack Rahul Gandhi, saying that the Congress's vice president's allegations against the Gujarat model have now fallen flat.
Truth has slipped out. Right. The mask has slipped down. And therefore, Gujarat has the best land acquisition policy because fertile land of farmers was never acquired. It was mostly land around the coastline, which was non-fertile land which has been acquired for industrial development. So Gujarat is a state where you have a double-digit industrial growth and you have a double-digit agricultural growth. Right. So obviously, anybody analyzing the growth of Gujarat or the land acquisition policy of Gujarat may have a favourable word to say. Now, Anand Sharma may be in deep trouble because he doesn't know what his ministry is doing. And I'll compliment that part of the ministry which is responsible for this report.
But now Anand Sharma is completely denying. He's saying that it's not his ministry's report.
Well, the report is out. The report is a document for everybody to see. It's a report by somebody which has been submitted by the Department of Industrial Policy and Promotion.
You cannot hide the truth with rampant falsehood. And that's what has happened. Here is a report commissioned by the Government of India and the Ministry of Commerce, undertaken by a well-known company like Accenture, that's what I've been told. In the ease of doing business says, the land acquisition model of Gujarat is the best, both for the investors who want to establish industry and also for the security, good compensation and livelihood of the farmers, under the concept of ease of doing business. This is a strong reply to the rampant falsehood being spread by Mr. Rahul Gandhi and others. I had always said Mr. Rahul Gandhi never does his homework, and today is a conclusive confirmation of that.